This is me teaching you Far Away by Nickelback, so let's start. Alright, you can see my guitar pretty well. I'm going to come up for a close-up just so you can see my fingerings. We're going to start off the entire intro, which is the main part. You're going to want to put your middle finger on the third string on the 3rd fret, and your ring finger 4th string on the 4th fret. So 3rd string 3rd fret, 4th string 4th fret. Okay? And you're going to want to keep your pointer finger able to move and your pinky able to move for later in the song. And this is the intro. You're going to put your pointer finger on the 5th string, which is the 2nd from the top, the 2nd fret. And you're going to play the 5th string. Then you just put your finger on the 5th string. Then 4th, 2nd, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd. So 5th. So it should be close up. It should be 5th, 4th, 2nd, 4th. And then 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd. Okay? So it should sound like. Then all you're going to do after that is move your pointer finger up 1 to the 6th string, 2nd fret, and play that same thing, but that instead of the different first note from before. Then you're going to take your pointer finger off and use your pinky. You can do it however you want, but I use my pinky on 4, keeping the same fingers on the same. You're going to play the 4th, top of the 4th. Then you're going to go right down to same thing as before, except instead of 2 on the top string, you're playing 4 on the top string. And then the last part's a little tricky. You're going to put the middle 2 strings on 4. So if you could see that, the middle 2 strings, so the 3rd and the 4th string you're going to have on 4. And then the 2nd string, which is the 2nd string from the bottom, just have it available to put your pointer on 2. Don't put it yet because it doesn't come in yet. Just be able to put it there. Okay? So having the 2 fingers on 4, you're going to play 6th string, the top, 4th string, 2nd string, 4th string. Then we're going to play 2, 3, 4, 3. But when you play the 5th note, which I haven't played yet, you're going to put the 2 on. So it should go 6, 4, 2, 4, then 2 again, but with the pointer on. 3, 4, 3. Exactly like that. Okay, so that's the intro, those 4 parts. It should be with the 3, 4 fingering that we started with. Should be the 2 on the 5th string, then the 2 on the 6th string, then the 4 on the 6th string, and then you switch over to the 2 fingers on 4 with the pointer finger available, and you do what I just did. Then you hammer on. Okay, so that's the intro. Then the first verse is 3 intros. So that's the intro. So right now you should know that that is the intro. Then every verse is 3 intros, and then a second part that it ends on, which I'm going to call the secondary verse. So the intro is what I just taught you. Every verse is a few intros, and then this secondary verse at the end. You're going to want a bar chord on 4, and then put like an E shape, but take out the middle finger. Take out this finger. So starting on the 1st string, which is the bottom string, it should be 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4. So these 2 fingers should be on the 4th and the 5th string. And you're going to want to play just simple pattern. It is 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay? So you're going to want to know that because it does it 3 times. 2 like this, and then you slide up to 7 and 9 and do that. So I'll play it for you. It's pretty simple. It just goes. And you slide up to 7 and 9. And then you slide to E and you just play it. Regular E. Okay, so that's that. That is the verse. It's 3 intros I told you before, and that part, which is the secondary verse, which is the 4 and the 6, the 4 and the 6, and then the 7 and the 9. Okay, so that's the verse. Then the chorus is pretty simple. It's, you start out with a bar chord on 2 and C-shaped. So C-shaped is like this. I'll come close. Like this. You're going to want to bar the 2nd while covering on the 4th the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings with this finger. Okay? So that's it. Should sound like this. So that's the first note. Then you're going to keep the bar on there and just do a regular E-shaped bar chord. Then you're going to move to what we did before, which is a bar chord on 4, E-shaped, take away this finger. Take away this finger. Okay, so it's just going to be 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, right here. And then we're going to go right back to E. And then you repeat that once, twice, 3, 4 times you repeat that for the chorus. 4 times you do that. The acoustic has its own part. I'm going to give you the tab, so if you guys have 2 guitars and you want to throw in an acoustic, it has it there. It's really simple. It's like 11, 12, 11, D, and it goes. That's basically it, give or take. Look at the tabs, really simple. If anybody wants that part, they can tell me and I'll video response it onto this one. But I don't think I have enough time to do it right now. The riff before verse 2 is just the regular intro. Basically every verse or breakdown is an intro. Then we go to another verse, verse number 2, which is 3 intros and then a secondary verse. Again, same as the first one. Then another chorus, same exact thing. Then we have the bridge, which is 2 intros and then a secondary verse. Simple. Then we have the chorus. Then we have, that's it. And then we're done with the chorus. Very simple. And then this next acoustic part is 13, 14, 13 D-shaped. And it's etc. Pretty easy. Let me know if you guys have a problem with the acoustic part. Seriously, not a big deal. And I will video response it to you guys attached to this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you know how to play this song now. Let me know. And request some songs.